Oh, I have this ugly ass jacket on. It's a little nippy, so I had to wear a jacket. Yes, we're actually block checking right now because there's only one break at the end, so you block check every single time that there's two trains.
I'll tow a rhino ahead.
It's crazy. Yeah. Woo! Wow. Yeah, that's not like other RMCs because it's like this out and back layout.
Yeah.
So there's not, it's not like twisty or anything. It's like, I don't know.
It has like unique elements, which is cool.
Just a ton of airtime. Just a bunch of straight air hills.
And so the classic at the end.
Oh, chili. Adrenaline and chili. Yeah, you gray out on the little turn.
Yeah,
and then you like.
But it was not doing that this morning. It was calm. It's already warming up. Tonight's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, it'll be nuts.
Crazy. Is it beer o'clock yet?
9 a.m.
2 minutes. I really like the stall on it. It's kind of floaty, you know. It's like,
yeah, the stall's good.
And then my favorite part is like the inversion of the arcade, the fast one.
Yeah, it's really quick.
It's like out of the run after it goes like.
Yeah. Yeah, that exit of that.
Yeah.
Coffee up.
Coffee.
And then the truss thing is cool. I thought you'd get hang time. You just get a bunch of airtime into it, which is good.
I mean,
I can't believe it's in this part.
It's kind of a big like screw you to Six Flags too, because now they got the better option.
Yeah, it is better.